BRIGHTON, Colo. Two Denver area paramedics were convicted Friday of giving Elijah McClain an overdose of the sedative ketamine in 2019. Experts signed off on a jury verdict that they said could have a chilling effect on first responders across the country. The case involving death of 23-year-old black man was first to go to trial among several recent criminal prosecutions against medical first responders, potentially setting bar for prosecutors in future cases. This was also last 3 lawsuits filed against police and paramedics accused of McClain's death. McClain's case did not receive much attention until the protests over 2020 death George Floyd in Minneapolis. Earlier this year, an Aurora police officer was convicted of an third-degree assault, while 2 officers were acquitted. A jury found Aurora Fire Rescue paramedics Jeremy Cooper and Peter Cichuniec guilty of criminally negligent homicide after a week-long trial in state district court. The jury also found Cichuniec guilty of one of 2 second-degree assault charges. At sentencing, they could face years in prison. McClain's mother, Sheneen, pumped her fist in the air as she left the courtroom. Cichuniec's wife kept head down as deputies handcuffed her and prepared to take into custody. Cooper's wife also cried next to him. Alex Piquero, a criminologist at the University of Miami, said the result could set a precedent for how emergency personnel respond to people in police custody. Imagine you are a paramedic, Piquero said. They may be careless. They may say, "I'll do nothing" or "I'll do less." The International Association of Firefighters said Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser criminalized split-second medical decisions in pursuing the charges and set a dangerous, chilling precedent for prehospital care. The decision was announced after 2 days of negotiations. When jurors told Judge Friday afternoon they were stuck on one of the charges, Judge told them to keep trying to reach a verdict. Police stopped McClain as he was walking home from grocery store on August 24, 2019, following a complaint from suspicious person. After an officer said McClain reached for an officer's gun, another officer grabbed McClain by the neck, causing him to temporarily lose consciousness. Officers also pinned McClain down before Cooper injected him with an overdose of ketamine. Prosecutors said paramedics failed to perform basic medical checks, such as taking McClain's pulse, before giving him ketamine. Experts said the dose was too much for someone his size. Prosecutors said they did not monitor McClain immediately after sedating him, but instead left him on the ground, making it difficult for him to breathe. McClain's imploring words, "I am an introvert and I am different," captured on police body camera video, struck a chord with protesters and people across the country. In a statement before the verdict, McClain's mother said that everyone present when her son was stopped by the police lacked